While filming this, my bread starter was already bread, so I decided to make more. In sourdough bread, it has that sour taste. This is because of fermentation. Sourdough bread uses lactic acid for its fermentation. Fermentation helps keep organisms alive by consuming sugar in the absence of oxygen. In our bread, the heat is what keeps the bread moist. We got yeast from the air, and that's what causes the bread to rise. It gets its sour taste from fermentation.
Hi, Kate's mom here. My kitchen is a wreck every single night. Clean up all this. But she did work hard, at least in learning how to do domestic duties and cleaning up, hopefully. Actually, I'd give her a C- on that. But the bread was edible. Okay, that's it. Good night.